In a lush, vibrant forest, lived a humble caterpillar named Clem. Clem was known for his hard work and dedication to leaf eating. One day, he felt an unusual itch on his tiny legs. "What's this?" Clem wondered, scratching his leg. He had never felt anything like it before. Days passed, and the itch grew stronger. Clem felt uncomfortable, but he continued to munch on the leaves, ignoring his discomfort. One day, Clem woke up to find himself trapped in a strange, silky prison. He struggled to break free, but it was no use. The prison seemed to be a part of him. A wise old owl named Ollie, who lived in the same forest, noticed Clem's predicament. "Ah, Clem," Ollie called out, "you've entered the stage of metamorphosis. You're shedding your skin to become a beautiful butterfly." Clem was confused. "But I don't want to leave my life as a caterpillar," he said, tears glistening in his eyes. Ollie smiled gently. "Change is not always easy, Clem, but it is necessary. Just as a caterpillar sheds its skin to grow, so must we all shed our old ways to grow. Embrace the change, Clem. It's the key to a brighter future." Clem reluctantly agreed, and he spent the next few days in the cocoon, learning to let go of his old life. When he emerged, he was a stunning butterfly, with wings shimmering like the morning sun. From then on, Clem understood the importance of change and the beauty that comes after the struggle. He realized that just as a caterpillar sheds its skin to become a butterfly, we too need to shed our old ways to grow and flourish. And so, Clem flew away, spreading the lesson of growth and change to all the creatures of the forest. The forest was filled with the beauty of change, and everyone learned to embrace it, just like Clem.